Let me ask you a question. Have you heard about a fish called hagfish? No? Then keep watching this video. Hagfish are found in deep water and they are small, slimy, eel-like creatures which get into the body of other fish and then they start eating the other fish alive from inside. Are you wondering why am I telling you about hagfish? Well, our resentments about the past and the worries about the future are just like hagfish. Why? Because they also start eating us from inside. So, kill the hagfish of resentments and worries before they kill you. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and take care.